This video provides a step-by-step guide on how to fix the error code, which can occur when installing updates or programs on Windows. The video covers the following solutions. First solution: run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. This is a built-in tool that can automatically scan for and fix common Windows problems. Second solution: update Windows. Using the Windows Update Assistant is a tool that can help you install the latest Windows updates. To download and use the Windows Update Assistant, visit the Microsoft website. Click the Download button. Run the Windows Update Assistant and follow the on-screen instructions. Third solution: perform an in-place upgrade. An in-place upgrade is a process that installs Windows without affecting your personal files or settings. To perform an in-place upgrade, download the Windows 10 ISO file from the Microsoft website and follow the on-screen instructions. Fourth solution: repair corrupt system files. System File Checker and DISM are built-in tools for you to fix any corrupt system files that can cause the issue. Follow this command and wait to end to finished. Five solutions: start the relevant Windows Update services. There are a few Windows Update services that need to be running in order for Windows Update to work properly. To start these services, I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.